So now that we've got all the geometry extracted that we could possibly want to build the walls and doors, it's now time to begin doing that using the AutoCAD architecture functionality. So here we are, we've got all of our geometry. And one thing you might want to do is you might want to turn the point cloud off, or you might even want to reactivate the section plane. So to do that, I can select the section plane, turn the live section on. If I wanted to turn off the point cloud altogether, it's just a matter of selecting it, and then you can open up the point cloud manager and turn it off. I think I'll leave just the section plane because I do want to see the little bit of the point cloud, but I think having the whole thing on might be just a little bit difficult. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my home tab, open up the wall dialog box where it's going to ask me, what the width should be, what the height should be, etc., etc. So I'm going to kind of leave all those as is. I'm going to kind of zoom in here, and I can pick up this node or this endpoint, depending upon what I'm trying to do, and it might even be helpful to turn on just the node snap. You can see the wall is actually on the wrong side of my line. So I hit Control, and it will snap over to the other side. Or I could use the Properties dialog box to switch it over. There's my first wall. I kind of orbit around here a little bit. You can see it's even staying there even with the section plane on. So I just have to matter of doing a couple of those. So I'll do the wall again. So there are our walls. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to add a column to the model. So if I kind of zoom in here, I can draw a rectangle. I kind of have sitting out here, and then snap into my node. I can size this appropriately. If I need to stretch it a little bit. But once I have it, underneath the grid commands, I have the custom column. I can pick whatever an insertion point would be. I can call it column 1. Tell it to erase the geometry. Say OK. And then it will build my column for me. And I can repeat that in other locations if I need to. So one more. We'll do one more right here. Custom column. Pick Select the insertion point, column 2. Tell it to erase it and say OK. Just like the walls and columns, I can create a door. So I go here to door. I can pick what kind of door I want. Kind of orbit around here. You can see here's where the door opening was in the point cloud, so I'll go ahead and pick this wall. It's trying to ask for a location. So I can kind of locate it here if I want. I'll kind of have it on this side here, right about there. Now, obviously it's going the wrong direction. We can correct that though. We escape out of this, click on the door, I'll tell it to flip. Now it's going the right direction. If we want to take a look at this in a 3D view, we can do that. And there's what we've got. Let's go ahead and save this.